Hi, it's Tom here from Rearward Transits. This is a quick walk around video. One of our latest vehicles we have in stock. So in front of us here we've got a WAV. This is a wheelchair accessible vehicle, a new allied mobility conversion based on a Ford Tourneo custom titanium L1H1, so that's short wheelbase, low roof, 130 PS, 6-speed manual, covered just 7,761 miles, excellent condition inside and out. And as it's an Independence RS model, you get 4 Q restraints. We've got an electric soft start winch, a bifold ramp just underneath the tailgate, and in the second row position we've got 3 fold flat, reversible and removable seats. So 6 travel seats and 1 wheelchair in the third row position. Registered May 2019, sits on a 19 plate, comes with Rearward Transit 6 months no quibble warranty. Metallic chrome blue. As it's a titanium edition or series, very well spec'd inside and out, so extended wheel arches, the bigger 17-inch alloy wheels, parking sensors front and rear, glazed rear tailgate, dual side loading doors, so easy access, second and third row tinted glass. You get dual side steps. Rearward Transits can fit an upgraded driver's door security door lock. We can replace it for a stainless steel one for the cost of £150. Heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, chrome effect grille, corner and fog lights, 130 PS, 6-speed manual. Right, let's have a look inside. If we open up the tailgate, we can see the bifold ramp, and we're going to lower that, and you can now see the wheelchair secured in the third row position. 3-point seat belt attaches to the rear restraints, and then on the front of the wheelchair we've got the electric lock-in front restraints and the electric soft start winch operated via this remote, which comes all the way out to the end of the ramp, which is really handy when entering and exiting the WAV. And then if you look just beyond the wheelchair, we can see the 3 fold flat, reversible and removable seats in the second row. 3 seats up in the front, so single driver seat and a dual cab seat, with second and third row sunshades and manual air conditioning for the rear. For further information on how to secure the wheelchair in the third row and how to change the configuration on the 3 second row seats, please see our other WAV videos on YouTube. And now into the cab, again, excellent condition, carpeted floor, you've got the dual passenger seat with fold down table and under seat storage, 10-way adjustment on the driver's seat including lumbar support, electric windows, power folding door mirrors, automatic headlights with daytime running, voice activation when your phone's connected through Bluetooth, automatic rain sensing wipers. Down here you've got cruise control, speed limiter, and just confirming the mileage. 6-speed gearbox, so 3 pedals down there. Then up here you've got the Ford Sync entertainment system, so an 8-inch touchscreen, blended with physical buttons as well, great combination. Connect your phone through USB just up on the dash, and you can then access Android or Apple CarPlay. This also displays the front and rear parking sensors. And then down here you have the manual air conditioning, you've got the 2 heated seats, heated windscreen, quick clear and quick cool. So in conclusion, and for sale today here, we've got a WAV, a wheelchair accessible vehicle. This is a Ford Tourneo custom titanium Independence RS with 6 travel seats, 3 in the second row position, which fold flat, reversible and completely removable. You have position and space for 1 wheelchair in a third row. Covered just 7,761 miles, lovely low mileage, excellent condition inside and out, 130 PS, 6-speed manual. you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.